Today is the start of the 60th anniversary of SeaWorld. And today we are going to head out to the park for a little media event that they invited us to. We're going to head out there and see what they have planned for us. I believe there's a little thing going on out there that they're going to have us do, but we'll have to find out. We're going to be joined by a friend as well. So come on and join me. So the event starts pretty early, and around 8:30. And since the time change, the sun isn't quite up at 7 a.m. Very early morning for me. So we are waiting to get in, and just wanted to show you guys. General parking went up to $32. Preferred is now $53, and VIP is $70. Kind of crazy. So we have made it here to SeaWorld, and parking's a little bit different. John is with me here today. John actually invited me to tag along with him today.
It happens occasionally.
Yeah, every once in a while, you know. Pay it forward. So here we go for the media event. We are going to go this way, right over here. All right, we are in now, and it is the start today of the 60th anniversary of SeaWorld. Let's get over here and get us a good spot. So here is everything here. Look at this. This is awesome. Ready to go. They got a DJ out here. They're going to do a little presentation. And here's some of the food offerings they're going to be offering during the 60th anniversary. Look at this. This is pretty cool. Barbecue platter, mango marble cake with a 60th medallion, and a Rice Krispie whale tail. That is awesome. This is going to be the popcorn bucket here as well that they're going to offer. It's coming soon. This blue wave here. Oh, and look at this orca cake pop here. This is awesome. That is so cool. And then they have like a carrot cake here as well. And here's the medallion cake again. Good morning. That's awesome. And we do have some exclusive merch for the 60th anniversary, which looks amazing. You see like a lounge spot here. Here's a little jacket here as well. A hat. A spirit jersey of some sort, like a baseball jersey of some sort. That is amazing. So cool. And here's like a timeline of when it originally opened till then as well. It's awesome. And a Precious Moments, exclusive Precious Moments new little statue thing here. Pretty awesome. And they have some cupcakes out here for us to try a little bit later. We're gonna have to do that. Do it right up front here, ready for the event to get started. Pretty amazing.
Hey, we love it, we love it. With that same energy, we'd like everyone, if you would, please help us welcome to the stage this morning, SeaWorld Orlando's park president. If you would, please. He's not right here, it's JP. Let's give it up for Mr. John Peterson.
People, this is great to see. Great to see. Thank you, everybody, for coming. Good morning. Welcome to SeaWorld, where today we stand on the brink of history as we celebrate an extraordinary milestone. 60 years ago on this very day, our first SeaWorld ever opened in San Diego, California, marking the beginning of a journey that would touch hearts, inspire minds, and protect marine life for generations to come. As we gather today here to celebrate this moment, we find ourselves immersed in a sea of excitement, anticipation. SeaWorld's 60th anniversary celebration isn't just a mark in time. It's a celebration of progress, innovation, and our unwavering commitment to the wonders of the sea. For 6 decades, SeaWorld has been involved in global destination attraction, bringing millions of people to our parks worldwide. Upon entering our gates, guests are immersed in an impactful experience designed to foster a deep appreciation for marine life. From amazing animal encounters to engaging education programs and thrilling marine-themed rides, SeaWorld's offer unforgettable moments that leave lasting impact. What truly distinguishes SeaWorld is our steadfast dedication to animal rescue rehabilitation. At the forefront of conservation efforts, we've rescued over 41,000 animals here. It's really a cool number, and there's a lot of great people over here about what we do for rescue and everybody in this park, everybody that you see has a 60th shirt on, actually is speaking to what we mean for conservation. More than anybody else. A lot of people have gotten on board with us, have become partners with us, but SeaWorld's never stepped away from that part of our business, which is the incredible part of being the guy to get to run this park, to be able to say, we are the best of the best at rescuing, rehabilitating, returning animals, and telling the public about it. You know, as you walk through the park today, you're going to see so much more to see. You're going to hear that everywhere you go. Because SeaWorld does offer so much more to see. And over the last 60 years, we've shown you a lot. But the next 60 years, we're going to show you even more. So as we kick off this 60th celebration, we're thrilled to welcome back some old favorites, introduce some exciting new offerings for our guests. But I'm excited today to announce one of my favorite friends is back. Shamu is back. Yeah. There he is. It's been many years since Shamu and his crew have been out here. Memories that a lot of children have on pictures that you will see as you go around. If you want to see more nostalgic pictures, go down to our past member lounge. We have 60 years worth of memories and moments that, for me, just touch to what SeaWorld is. You know, it wouldn't ever be anything of a celebration if I didn't have some new retro merchandise for you out there. So as you're walking through the park, look and see. There's all sorts of new retro. But on top of that, you will see today, we've got some new food offerings. Some that we brought back from the past. I'm going to call out our chefs because I asked for blue chips, because blue chips are something I absolutely loved. So they are so good. You're absolutely right. So blue chips are back in our lineup, but we have other offerings that'll be coming as you're in here. We're also offering some new lineups this summer. We've got a new Cirque show coming this summer. Next month, yeah, I agree. Next month, we're opening Rescue Tales over at Seaport Theater. So anybody who remembers is ready. It's all new. It's all different. But Rescue Tales will be back next month here. And in honor of the 60th, we're bringing back a parade led by no other than Shamu. Unveil our all-new attraction, Penguin Trek, a breathtaking family launch coaster that will transport you to the depths of this region. With 2 exhilarating launches and a maze of twists and turns, Penguin Trek promises an unforgettable family journey through the icy landscape of Antarctica. And then when you disembark in an up-close and personal meeting with our beloved penguins. I am so excited about this ride. I've seen this ride from concept to starting to break the ground to what we're seeing today. We're not just bringing back a ride. We're actually building a ride, bringing your realm back. We're bringing Antarctica back. We're bringing our penguins back to the forefront. And we're putting a ride that every child, mother, and family can all ride together. It is going to be one of those exciting moments this spring that you do not want to miss. 60 years of wonder, discovery, and conservation at SeaWorld. Thank you for being part of this journey. And here's to many more years of making memories together. Enjoy the celebration, and remember, there's always so much more to see at SeaWorld. Ladies and gentlemen, enjoy your day at SeaWorld. Thank you for coming.
I'm going to try to navigate through this to get to see Shamu. Oh my goodness. It's been a long time. Now for the full weekend, they are actually giving out free cupcakes first thing in the morning. And you get here to celebrate this, and it's pretty cool that they are doing that. Well, here it is. Just a simple cupcake. I love the icing color though. All right, now that the ceremony is over, we are about to walk around the park with some of the team members and talk about the park in the last 60 years. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Let's do it. John, how was your cupcake?
My cupcake was very theme park cupcakey.
Yeah?
A little more frosting than cupcake, but that's not always bad.
Yeah?
But I was just here for the cupcake.
Me too. Now we can go home.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. We also have chocolate ones out here with a little bit of lighter icing. John is, of course, Got to do his food blogger thing.
Hey. Man's got to make a living somehow. Come on.
Right. All right, we're just going to go down here, see what's going on. They kind of just like set us loose. We'll just figure out what we're going to do. So the Seven Seas Food Festival is still going on right now at the same time as the 60th anniversary. John, do you have a date for us?
It goes through Thursdays through Sundays. It's not every day.
Okay.
Through May 19th.
May 19th. Okay. I was wrong. It wasn't through April. It's through May 19th. We get confused with these dates, John.
I get totally confused with the Mardi Gras, and then we have Food and Wine at Busch Gardens, and then we have this one. And don't forget about Flower and Garden.
Flower and Garden.
So I have a hard time keeping track.
This is our life, people. So I'm not so sure if the merch is inside of the SeaWorld store yet. So we're going to go in and look and see if it is. And look at all the bubbles. They got bubbles everywhere. All right, here we go. They do have some of the merch in here. I love this. I guarantee you Angie would love this.
This will look good on you.
I know. If I could pull it off.
Flattering to your shoulders? Is that the problem?
It's not flattering to my shoulders.
Okay, I can respect that. Okay.
But yeah, so I think Angie would love that. She'll have to check that out. Take a look at this cup here. This is something else that she would love. This Corsicle tumbler here.
Can I get that at Character Warehouse? No, I can't get that at Character Warehouse. Okay, sorry.
I don't think they have a SeaWorld Character Warehouse.
They don't.
I don't know, but here's the back of this little jacket. This is pretty cool, though. Love the colors of it. The price on this, though, let me investigate. Okay, so not bad. The price on this is $57.99. That is cool, but I don't know. I kind of like the baseball jersey, too. That's pretty cool. And then, of course, they do have little mugs here as well, and then another Corsicle there. So yeah, I'm really impressed with this merch. It looks good. So they do have a SeaWorld 60th anniversary journal here. This is pretty cool here, $14.99 for that. They do actually also have some pins that you can get here at $8.99. And then some magnets here too, acrylic magnets, which is pretty cool. This is the logo that I remember when coming here when I was a kid. That is awesome. I'm glad to see that. I definitely might get that. It's $19.99 just for that. Here is one with the logo from the 90s. This is what I remember growing up as a kid. Little keychain, and then there's the older one there. And then over here on this side, they do have 60 years of SeaWorld magnets, and this one as well. So looks great. They do have a photo op out here, and this is supposed to be the original entrance to SeaWorld back when it first opened. This is pretty amazing looking. Cool that they brought that back. They do have a nice little photo op for you to take pictures here. So a pretty awesome event from SeaWorld, and inviting us out and having a good day here with nostalgia for 60 years, hearing all the cool things and great things that SeaWorld has done is an amazing thing. For me, I came here when I was a kid with my dad the summer right before he passed away. So it means something to me to come here and be here. Now, Shamu being here earlier, we kind of got some okay shots of him, but he was in and out. So I don't know if he's going to come out. We'll wait here a few more minutes to see if he's going to come out. But yeah, so this was really cool to see this and to develop, watch SeaWorld develop over the years. Yeah, so I'm just feeling nostalgic today with some of the things that I've seen, some of the old logos around, and the original entrance over here as well, which is really cool. But yeah, so it's pretty awesome. We're going to wait a few more minutes to see if Shamu comes out. And if not, we'll be done for the day, but we'll wait and see. So I just made it back home. It is good to be home for the day. The event didn't keep us very long, and I come out here to the patio, and here is Ray watching these guys work on some construction over here. But she's actually looking more forward to the ducks hopefully coming over here. But Ray, are you excited that I'm home? So anyway, that was my day out at SeaWorld Orlando, checking out the 60th anniversary, seeing all the food, all the merchandise that they have, and all the special events as they announced a new show that's coming, a Cirque show, which sounds really cool. We're going to have to check that out whenever that comes. And so many more offerings. SeaWorld really is a sleeper park. You guys should definitely check it out when you come into town. Tickets are cheap, annual passes are cheap. They do a really good job of developing new coasters every once in a while. There's a brand new coaster coming out later this year, the Penguin Trek. And it's going to be an amazing thing I can't wait to go out there and ride it because it's just going to be so much fun. But thank you once again to SeaWorld for inviting us out. Thank you so much to John for letting us tag along and just having a good day. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Hit that like button and the notification bell so you know when the next video is coming out. Also, if you want to join the fellowship, click the link right here and down below so that you guys can join the fellowship. We would love for you to be a part of our family and get the videos early. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. And remember, the road goes ever on. I and Ray down here, we'll see you next time.